am cooking Nigerian spaghetti, and as you can see in the pot, I'm frying my tomatoes, onions, pepper and garlic. I'm going to fry it dry. It's now dry, so I'm going to put in my stock from the meat. Then I'll put in the seasoning cubes. My curry. And thyme. I'm going to allow it to cook again. And just when the water is about drying out, I'll put in the carrots. And peas. It's going to need a little salt. I'll just allow the vegetables to steam. Now the sauce is ready for the spaghetti, boiled and washed. I'll allow it to sink down. The spaghetti and the sauce are mixed together. Green pepper, sliced onions, and cabbage. I'll allow it to steam for about 3 minutes. Our Nigerian pasta is ready. Our prepared Nigerian pasta is ready to be dished out. You can see our Nigerian pasta, very healthy, full of fresh vegetables. It's being served here with chicken and fried plantain. You can try this at home and tell us all about it on the comment section on how it all went. Thank you for watching Zara Naija on YouTube. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also share our videos with your loved ones. Thank you.